Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to duplicate a page in WordPress. And our WordPress environment was set up using this service. It's called InstaWP. It has amazing features with a free and pro version. Plans start at $9 for the pro version. So go ahead, check out their website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so I already have a page here. I'm in the pages section in WordPress, and this page called Duplicate Me, I'm going to duplicate this. Let's view it. Okay, so we are going to duplicate this page using the classic editor. And there's a link on the screen to a video that shows you how to install the classic editor. So this is our page content. At the top right, click text. We just want to highlight this, then copy, click add new, and add a title. Let's call this duplicated. Once you're done, paste what you copied in the content field. Then click publish. And if we click the link at the top, here we should see the page that we duplicated. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys another method. We are going to be using the Gutenberg Block Editor next. So we would need to switch from the classic editor. So on the left, go over to settings, and we should find this in the writing tab. Click Block Editor, then click Save Changes at the bottom. Okay, so let's go back to our pages. Let's click the Duplicate Me page again. Okay, so this is our block editor. All right, so the procedure for this method is quite different. We would need to go over to Options on the right, these three dots. Let's quickly make sure everything looks okay. All right, click Options, and at the bottom, click Copy All Content. Okay, let's go back. Add New. And let's give our page a title. Let's call this Clone 1. Let's paste the content right here. Once you're done, click Publish in the top right-hand corner. Click Publish again. View page. Okay, so here is our clone. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the final method that you can use to duplicate a page in WordPress. We are going to use a plugin. On the left-hand side, hover over Plugins, then click Add New. In the search box on the right, type Clone Page. So we're looking for this result. Duplicate page, click Install Now. Once it's done, click Activate. All right, so we have successfully installed the plugin, and let's view its settings. Click Settings at the bottom. And here we can choose an editor. We have Classic Editor as well as Gutenberg Editor. So next we have Duplicate Post Status. There's Draft, Publish, Private, and Pending. You can also choose a redirect location after clicking Duplicate this link, but we are going to leave this as is. Click Save Changes once you're done. Okay, so let's go duplicate our page. On the left, hover over Pages, then click All Pages. Hover over a page, then click Duplicate this at the bottom. Okay, so we duplicated this page and its status is Draft. So let's view the page. Okay, so here we have all of the original content, and we can actually publish this page. Let's go back, let's edit this. And let's change the title to something like Duplicate 2. Once you're done, click Publish again, and click View Page. All right, so this is our duplicated page. And I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.